Hi everyone. So I'm going to test out Briogeo deep conditioning mask versus Life Brand. So this is kind of like a drugstore revitalizing mask to see like, is this one really better than this one? So I think like my hair's not looking too bad until you start to get to like the frizzy dry ends, right? We can just see them like every which way, right? So you're just like, why can't you all be nice and silky and smooth and that? And then again, it's kind of those dry, brutal ends. So I'm going to hop in the shower and test these out and then come on back and let you know which one kind of worked better. So normally I like to leave them on longer and overnight and things like that, but we'll just kind of do kind of like that 20-minute mark, right? So a little longer than what they recommend, but not necessarily overnight. So I will hop back here with the conditioners in my hair. So I've showered and washed my hair. There's definitely some knots in it. Ooh. Right? It is definitely nice and wet. My hair just retains the water. Ow, ow, ow. So I'm going to put Briogeo on this side. And I'm just going to kind of comb it through. And then I'm going to put Life Brand, the drugstore hair treatment, on the other side. It has definitely a nice smell. So automatically this one's a little bit more runny than this one was like a nice thick cream. My hands are so oily now. I'm just going to wipe that off on myself. Ah. So I'm going to let this sit on my hair for about 20 minutes and then rinse off, come on back and do the brush test. And so after showering it out, I'm going to do the brush test. So I really didn't do anything where it should have any knots in it. Whew. So both sides are good and pass the brush test. It's hard to really tell like a difference. Like I kind of feel like this side's a little bit better, but I'm just going to kind of put my hair up into kind of like pigtails, let it dry. I do kind of sleep on this side kind of a little bit everywhere, so this side might be a little bit worse and going through a little bit more, but I shall check in the morning. Hi everyone. So the next day, kind of going through, doing the brush test. We've just kind of been in ponytails or pigtails, right? So I do feel like the Briogeo side's a little bit softer, especially at those ends. It is a little drier down here, but maybe like not that noticeable with things. So don't think you have to spend a lot of money to kind of condition your hair and do those hair masks. But let me know what side do you think kind of looks better. Like this side feels just kind of like weighted down, where I think like this one's conditioned with still getting some volume and whatnot. So I think if you can find your high end for like a good kind of sale, like I think just their value pack is really like your best deal. Like yeah, it's kind of really expensive, but per unit is really cheaper, right? Because I just feel like the ends, like these ends feel drier than these ones, so I think ultimately this one's probably better, but no one's really going to come up and touch your hair, so it's just all on how it looks, right? So if like volume's really important to you, then I think kind of the drugstore one is just kind of have those oils that weigh down your hair, where this one's gonna condition your hair but still have that volume. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day. Bye.